Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and giving a video a thumbs up. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. As you can see by the thumbnail, we have a big old Ulta haul. I'm really excited about this. Most of this actually is gifts, so hopefully that person doesn't watch. Anyways, we're gonna dive right in. I have had the same kind of room decor for a very, very long time, probably for the entirety of my channel for over 4 years. So when I saw that they had a bunch of these plastic organizers and containers on sale for like 40% off, I was like, okay, now we can revamp the room. So I did pick up quite a few of these. A lot of them were sold out, or I would have gotten way more than this. So I did get this one right here. And I can already say, just based off of first impressions, these feel quite weighty and substantial, and they are pretty big. So I'm excited about that. I also got this one right here, which is the Cube Cosmetic 3-drawer, and everything is by iDesign, the Onyx collection. So they do all have like a little bit of, black accents to them. And you can see kind of in comparison, it's pretty big. So I'm really excited about this. Then I also got this one right here. I'm hoping this one can sit on top of the other one. This is the, it doesn't actually say, but same thing, except it's got like the little tray. And then the one that I'm most excited about is the Cosmetic Carousel. And I'll show you what that looks like. And it has different places in here that you can kind of take these out, and you can take this piece out, so you can kind of organize it the way that you want to. And again, it's pretty massive, so I'm hoping to be able to finally put all of my eyeliners and lip liners and all that kind of stuff together in one tray. And of course, it's a carousel, so it's going to spin for us. So super excited about all that. I'm ready to kind of revamp my room. As you can see, I switched it back to kind of my old background, if you will. And then everything else, aside from I think one thing, is all gifts. But I did get the basic edition decorative hairpins. You guys know I love headbands and hair bows and stuff like that, so I was excited to have that. I got 2 of these Whim bath bombs. I got this. This is a brand new launch for them. I've never seen this. I've never seen anybody talk about it, so I had to get it for my swap sister. It is the, I think that's an H. Hallie? Color Cloud Demi-Permanent Foaming Hair Dye, and I got her Purple Avalanche, so I'm excited, and I hope she loves that. I also got this Pacifica Clarifying Scalp Massager for my swap sister. And then I have the Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipstick in the shade Supermodel. I may actually go buy myself one of these because it's supposed to be one of those like kind of 90s nudie brown shades. Yes, please. I also got the Milani Highly Rated Anti-Gravity Mascara. I got a Ulta Beauty Medium-Sized Z Palette. I got 2 of these LA Girl matte lipsticks. One is kind of a soft pinky shade, and one is a beautiful deep berry shade. And then I also got, I believe this is from Jacqueline's newest collection, not the strawberry one, but they are the Pout Spoken Lip Liner and Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sweetheart. Her lip liners, I really, really love. Her liquid lipsticks, I'm not a fan of, but I did get these for my swap sister so she can also check them out. And then I got this free with like a purchase or whatever. I got Anastasia Beverly Hills Crystal Lip Gloss and a mini brow wiz. I also got this LA Girl Just Blush in the shade Just Radiant, which is now completely in pieces. So I do need to reach out to customer service. Luckily, I mean, LA Girl is quite affordable, so it didn't cost an arm and a leg. And then my swap sister and I both ended up getting this for one another, and we were like, if we already have it, why don't we go ahead and use them? So this is from Kate. Thank you so much to Kate. But it is the brand new Abh Nuvo Palette. I hope it's not broken like this because I'm going to be a little bit pissed. And if you guys want to see a demo with it, please let me know and I will do that. Of course, I'm late to the party. If y'all do want to see it, please don't be broken. Oh, okay, it's fine. This actually looks like what's on my eyes right now. So that is what it looks like. You guys, if you know, you know, I love beautiful warm tones. I love greens and golds. I'm obsessed. So I think I'm really gonna like this, but we get to use them now, which makes me super, super happy. I'm really excited to have that. But that is my little Ulta Beauty haul. I feel like if you're looking for new containers or like new organizers, they have so many of these on the site, you guys, for very, very cheap. I know some of the ones that I have, I paid $30 and $40 and $50 for. So makeup organization, can we talk about how expensive it is? I say run, don't walk, go to Ulta. Also, I always use up my points and stuff like that. I really try to be very mindful of if I know I'm already buying something, going on to buy Swap Sister stuff, and then if I see they have a gift with purchase or they have a really big sale going on, that's when I jump in and I make the purchase. But that is it. What new items have you guys been wanting to try? Is there something that you would like for me to try out for you? And would you like to see look with this, or is it already way past the time for me to be able to do it for y'all? Because we know I'm always late to the party. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.